Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download apps on App Store without payment method. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your App Store, and from here you tap on your profile icon and tap on Apple ID. And from here you tap on country region, tap on again change country or region and select your country. Scroll down and select your country like United States. Tap on this. From here read terms and condition carefully and tap on agree. Tap on again agree. From here you as can see payment method. From here you make sure that tap on and from here scroll down and tap on your information, street, city. This information is fake. You have right information. Select your state like California. Enter your zip code. Tap on this. Enter your phone number. Tap on next. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.